Imagine a world where machines can think and create. That world is here. AI is not just a machine, it's a tool. A tool that writes, speaks, and makes videos. But don't worry, AI won't replace you. Instead, it's the people who ignore AI that may be left behind. Let's explore how AI works. First, AI understands language. This means it can read and write. It can help you draft emails or articles. Imagine finishing a report in half the time. Next, it can speak. AI voice assistants can help schedule your meetings. They answer questions, so you save time. Then AI creates videos. From educational content to marketing, it generates engaging materials. You can focus on strategy while AI manages production. Now, let's address a common concern. You may think, will AI take my job? The reality is, it won't. But if you don't adapt, you might struggle. Learning AI helps you stay relevant. Embrace it as a partner, not a competitor. For instance, consider Jack. Jack works in marketing. He learned AI tools. Now, he automates tasks. This allows him to focus on big ideas. His career thrives, while colleagues who resist lose ground. In summary, AI is a powerful ally. It enhances productivity and creativity. To stay ahead, learn how to use it. Don't let AI intimidate you. Let it empower you. Start today. Explore online courses on AI. Become part of the future. Don't get left behind. Join the revolution.